So we will start today lesson 2, meiosis, and by the end of the lesson, we will study about the process of meiosis and what is the role of meiosis in sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction means where both parents are involved to reproduce. Okay, so what is the role of meiosis in sexual reproduction? The main thing what I have to know here, like example, do you see a picture here? It's written sperm cell and it is egg cell. The sperm cell is always from a male organ or male, and egg cell is always from female. Girls, please remember this for your lifetime, that to reproduce with meiosis, we need two parents. One is the female and the other is the male. Male will produce sperm cell and the female produces egg cell. Is this clear? Is this clear?
Yeah.
Sperm cell and the egg cell produce a special kind of cell division which is called as meiosis. Again, meiosis involves both parent, male and female. The male produces sperm cell, which looks like a tail here, and the female produces egg cell. Okay, these two cells, they fuses, they combine, and they make a special type of cell, and this process is called meiosis. I hope I am clear. I explained you well.
Yeah.
Can one by one, can you say me this? What did I say you? Okay, look at the picture and say me. Yes, Malak?
First we have the egg and you have the sperm cell. The sperm cell will go in the egg cell.
The sperm cell, don't say go in, don't say go in. You will just have to say that they fuse, or simple, they combine. The sperm cell and the egg cell, they combine to form a new cell. And this process is called meiosis. Is this clear? So this is the general
so the egg
which,
cell and the
this is the general thing which we have to learn in the whole unit. Okay, but before that, I need to know the phases of my meiosis. You remember we had phases of mitosis? That was prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase. And you also remember what happened in that, what happened to the strands, how they move apart, how they become in one line. You remember? Or do you want me to revise with you? Do you want me to revise with you?
No.
It's okay. Now coming to true or false here, the offspring of sexual reproduction have fewer chromosomes than their parent. Girls, listen to me very carefully. You know, when you say that the offspring will have fewer chromosomes, that is wrong. They will have more chromosomes when you compare to, or same number of chromosomes. Like even I have so many chromosomes. When I have my kid will not have something more or something less. It will have same number of chromosomes. Okay, so the answer is false here. During sexual reproduction, two cells combine to form a new organism. During sexual reproduction.
Your voice is lagging.
Okay, wait.
Yeah, it's like.
Okay. Okay now?
Yeah.
So, during sexual reproduction, two cells combine to form a new organism. two cells combine to form a new organism. Now, just now I have explained you about sexual reproduction. Two cells, that is male sperm and female egg cell, they combine to form new organisms. So is this true or false?
True.
Very good.
True.
It's true, very good, because it's clearly given two cell combine to form a new cell. Now, next. Sex cells are produced by cell division, of course, by meiosis. True. Sex cells have half the normal number of chromosomes. Correct. Sex cell will have half number of chromosomes. That is correct. Now, coming to full set of chromosomes.
Miss number 3, that 6 cells are produced by cell division.
Yes.
This is
true. Even they have half chromosomes, that is true.
and 6 cells have half the
Yes.
normal number.
Yes, they have half
All
number
of
of
it's
chromosomes.
true?
True, yes. They have half number. You will see now in this lesson. Now coming here, Mateen.
Okay.
And Malak.
Yeah, miss.
See, if it is 46, half of 46 is 23. When it is 4 half, what is double of 4? 8. Because here full set, here half set. Half is 39. So how much is full? Double of 39. That is 78. Now this is full. This is half. Half of 24 is 12. Half of 48 is? Did you understand what I did here? Here I made full. Here I made half. If 24 is full, what is half of 24? 12. If 48 is full, what is half of 48? 24. And here the half is 39. So full will be double of it. This will be double.
If there is here 4, we will say here 2, right?
Where if it is 4? If it is full is 4, so half is 2.
2.
Okay? Did you write this?
Yeah. There is only 2 vocabulary.
Yes, but it is, the explanation is too much here. Homologous. What is the meaning of homo? Homo means same. Logous means structure. What is homologous chromosomes? They look exactly the same. They look exactly the same. Now coming to the definition, homologous means having the same structure. If you want, you can write it down now. Homologous means having the same structure. Homologous means having the same structure.
Finish.
Right? Did you finish?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Miss, can I go to the bathroom?
Okay. Come on. Batin, start reading this. How do cells differ from the sex cells? They differ from the body cells. What is the difference between sex cells and body cells? Normally,
Before six,
even shown you now that our body cell will have full number of chromosomes. Sex cells will have half number of chromosomes. By reading this, you will understand more.
Before sexual reproduction can take place, each parent produces six cells. Six cells have half of the genetic information that body cells have. When genetic information from two parents combines, the offspring will have one full set of genetic information.
So do you understand? Half from each
Yeah,
parent. From the male sperm cell, from the female egg cell. They take half set of chromosomes from male, they take half set of chromosomes from female. So that's why sex cells have half set of chromosomes. Male has half, male sex cell will have half set of chromosomes, female sex cells will have half set of chromosomes. So what is the difference between sex cells have half of the genetic information, okay, that the body cell have. Clear? Yes, continue, Revati.
How do sex cells differ from body cell? In body cell, chromosomes are found in the pair of homologous chromosomes, which have the same structure and size.
Girls,
Hom-
same. When I see chromosomes in the body with the help of microscope, I can see exactly same. There is no difference. The same structure, they are same size. They carry the same genes. They carry the same genes. That's why you resemble your parents. You resemble your grandmother, your father, or your mother. However, some may be different version of the genes. The version can be different, but they are exactly, they look same. Okay, continue.
Okay, so in one chromosome pair is made up of six chromosomes, which control the development of sexual characteristics.
Because of this, you will have a we know that we have a baby boy or a baby girl. Because of this, later on when the chromosome combine, we must know that it's a maybe it's a female cat or a male cat. Because of these chromosomes, we have different gender. It will develop the sexual characteristic. Like in humans.
Yes, the cat when she's pregnant, she can
Yeah.
know if this is a girl or a boy.
The cat will never know, even girls. Now here they do ultrasound and the doctor tells you. But
Yeah.
by her own, the mother can never say you that is she delivering a baby girl or a baby boy. Am I correct? The doctor.
Yeah, but when she
watching
brings the
ultrasound.
baby, she knows
What?
when she like the baby, she's now pregnant. She don't know if it's a boy or a girl. When she bring it, she know that it's a boy or a girl.
Of course, see, we as like a normal human being, I cannot say, but the scientists say that the mother of an animal knows what she delivered because she know it's a baby, it's a female cat, so she knows that female cat need extra care. You understand? So that's
Yeah.
in their senses.
what's the difference between a female cat and a female boy? So how do they know if they need extra care or not? And why do they need extra care?
Of course, you know, the females are sensitive. They say that. The females are sensitive. They're emotion-wise. They get scared very quickly. You know that. Even our baby girls and boys, there are a lot of difference. You see a baby boy, very hyperactive. You see a 2-year boy and a 2-year girl, boys are more active here, right? Because in the body, they have different amount of, like example, if I see the hemoglobin of a baby boy, it has to be more. Their senses are more. In their genes, it comes girls. Okay, now come back. Let us come back to the lesson first. In humans, the sex chromosomes are called X and Y chromosomes. In human, the chromosomes are called as X and Y. Cells with a pair, you know that I told you they have to have a pair. I told you that chromosome, one from the mother and one from the father. They need a pair. They need a pair of chromosome. Half of the sex cell from mother and half of the sex cell from father. So the cell with a pair of every chromosome, they are called as diploid. Girls, I cannot go so fast and make you confused. Let us come back to the book here and explain you each. This photo shows the 23 chromosome pair of a human male. Even human male or a human female, we have how many chromosomes? 23 chromosome pair. Remember girls, pair. So actually total how many chromosomes your body has, Vateen? If I say you have 23 pair, that means how many chromosomes you have?
What, miss?
If I say that Vateen, every human or you have 23 pairs of chromosome, 23 pairs of chromosome. So how many chromosomes you have actually?
23.
I told 23 pairs. You have 23 pairs of socks. How many socks you have
Yeah.
total?
So 23, you have to put it with 2.
Yes, you need to double. See, when I say socks, you can imagine yourself. But when I
Yeah.
say simple, you cannot imagine. Understood? What
Yeah.
is a pair? Pair means one set, one set of chromosome. It means it has 2 chromosomes inside. So 23 times 2, it is 46. Exactly.
46.
Every human, every boy, every girl, every male, every female, they have 46 chromosomes in their body. And if I say about set, pair, it's 23. Is this very clear to you all? So normally, what is the name of the chromosome? X and Y. If we are female, we have X and X. If it's a male, they have X and Y. Make it clear in your mind. A boy will have X and Y chromosome. A female will have X and X chromosome. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Again, let us read this and understand more well because I have shown you the PPT, the PowerPoint. We read the important points there, but I want you all to know more. Before sexual reproduction can take place, each parent produces sex cell. Sex cells have half of the genetic information that body cells have. When the genetic information from two parents combine, the offspring have a full set of genetic information. What are homologous chromosomes? In body cell, most chromosomes are found in pairs that have the same structure and size. Can you see here? They have same structure and size. These homologous chromosomes carry the same genes. The homologous chromosome pair, when I say pair, what does that mean? Two chromosomes may have different versions of the genes that carry. One chromosome pair is made up of sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes control the development of sexual characteristics. In humans, these chromosomes are called X and Y. Cells with a pair of every chromosome are called as diploid. Every pair, the cells are called diploid cell because there are two cells, they are called as diploid. Many organisms, including human, have diploid body cells. Now coming here. How many cells you have? How many chromosomes you have, Vateen? I told you. Malak, how many you have? What is the number? How many chromosomes you have?
Two.
Total how many?
2 or 3.
23.
23 set, 23 pair. That
40.
means double. 46 chromosomes. Yes. If somebody asks you in your life, how many chromosomes do you have? You will say, I have 46.
46.
If they ask you how many pair of chromosomes you have, how many set or pair, you will say 23. Is this clear?
Yeah.
Or maybe they will laugh on your science teacher. They will say, which science teacher taught you? You don't even know you have so many chromosomes. So please, girls, never make me feel down. You must know that my body has
Okay.
46 chromosomes or 23 set of chromosomes. Never forget in your life, leave about grade 6, grade 7. In your life, you must know that I have 46 chromosomes. This is a very, very important question. Most human body cells contain 46 chromosomes. Think about,
46.
yes, 46, exactly 46. Think about what would happen if two body cells were combined. The resulting cell would have twice the normal number of chromosomes. A sex cell is needed to keep this from happening. Sex cells are also called as gametes. Very important again. Please highlight this, girls. Sex cells are also called as gametes. Gamete contains half the usual number of chromosomes. Sex cells have half the number of chromosomes. One chromosome from each pair and one sex chromosome. Cells that contain half the usual number of chromosomes are haploid.
Who's singing?
Yeah, somebody is going.
Stop doing that. I think we say a word called humming, right? H-U-M-M-I-N-G. There is a bird who do that.
Yeah, there's someone humming.
Okay, now let us come back to science class and forget about English class. Now here, cells that contain half the usual number of chromosomes, they are called haploid. So sex cells are haploid cells because they contain half number of chromosomes. Girls, please read the lesson today after the class or in the evening. It's not that easy. Cells contain half number of chromosomes. Those are called as haploid cells. Now, what did I say? Sex cells are also called as sex cells are also called as gametes. This is one important information. Sex cells contain half the chromosomes, half number of chromosomes. Okay. Anyways, so sex cells are also called as gametes. Sex cell contain half number of chromosome. In that one from one from the male and one from the female. Okay, girls, what is the name of the male cell? What is the name of the male cell? I told you in the beginning of the class. The male is the sperm cell. And the female is the egg cell.
Yeah, so the female is the egg cell and the boy. And
the male is the male sperm cell. The male have the sperm cell. Tomorrow when I start my class, I will again ask you, tell me the name of the male cell, tell me the name of the female cell. And next question I will ask you, how many chromosomes you have? You will say me
46.
Girls, if even exactly, may Allah protect all of us, if the baby is not born with 46, if the baby is born with 45, you know what will happen to him? He will not be normal. He will never be a normal baby
Even
boy.
a full chromosome?
Yes?
Why? That's why he won't be normal.
If he doesn't have 46 chromosome, if he accidentally, during the formation in the mother's fetus, the baby boy doesn't make so many chromosomes, he makes one chromosome less, one chromosome.
No.
And he will not be a normal baby boy. So can you?
Why? What will happen to him? He will be like what?
Abnormal. You know the Down syndrome?
Huh?
I will talk about it later. I will talk about it later. Okay? Coming to here. Gametes are found in the reproductive organ of plants and animals. Even sex cells are there in plants and animals. An egg is a gamete that forms a female reproductive organ. The gamete that form in the male reproductive organ is called a sperm cell. Please highlight this. Female reproductive organ is called the egg and the male reproductive organ is called the sperm cell. Okay?
I highlighted.
Meiosis produce two new cells containing exact copy of chromosomes. Okay, girls, I think I need to continue tomorrow, inshallah. This is enough for today.
Let's do this in 3 minutes, Clay.
All right, so what do you want? I don't want to start with this meiosis. That's it. If you want, I'll just show you a small video. Wait a minute. For 3 minutes, I can show you a small video. Come on.
Welcome to the lesson Meiosis, where you'll learn about how sex cells, called gametes, are made. Before beginning this lesson, review the lesson mitosis. The vocabulary words for this lesson are meiosis and homologous chromosome. Click each word to find out more about it. They might look like candy, but these are actually human chromosomes. Nearly every cell in your body has 46 chromosomes, but not all. A group of cells called gametes have only 23 chromosomes. Why so few?
23.
Well,
23. Who has half number of chromosomes? Sex cells. Sex cells are also called as gametes. So gametes have half number of chromosomes. Okay? Our body cell. Each cell of my body has how many chromosomes? Each cell of my body has 46 chromosomes.
in this lesson, you'll find out. Homologous chromosomes are pairs of chromosomes. In most body cells, each member of a pair is the same size and shape as the other member of that pair. Click the picture to begin. Humans have 23 pairs of chromosomes. You inherited one member of each pair of homologous chromosomes from your mother and the other from your father. All human cells, except sex cells, have 46 chromosomes. Each chromosome in a homologous pair contains the same genes as the other one in the pair. However, the exact version of the gene may differ. For example, consider one particular pair of homologous chromosomes that contain a gene that partially determines eye color. Both members of the pair will have the gene for eye color. One chromosome might have a gene with the version for blue eyes, and the other chromosome in the pair might have the gene version for brown eyes. One chromosome pair is made up of sex chromosomes. This pair controls the development of sexual characteristics. In humans, these chromosomes are called X and Y chromosomes. Females have 2 X chromosomes, and males have 1 X and 1 Y chromosome.
Okay, girls, I think enough for today. Did you understand more better when you see the video?
Yeah.
Okay, take care, guys. Have a nice